Hey friends, by popular request in this video, I'm sharing my recipe for caramelized pork and eggs made in the Instant Pot. For the ingredients have eggs, pork sirloin roast, pork belly, fish sauce, sugar, coconut water, brown onion, garlic, and black peppercorns. Transfer the eggs into the inner pot, placing them on top of an egg rack or steamer basket. Add 2 cups hot water. Cover with the lid and set the valve to sealing. Use the manual button and set the cook time to 5 minutes on high pressure. After the cook time is complete, allow for a 5-minute natural pressure release. Release the remaining pressure. Transfer the eggs into a bowl of ice water and let rest for 5 minutes. Peel each egg, removing the shell, and set aside for now. Fill the inner pot halfway with water. Transfer into the Instant Pot and cover with a glass lid. Press the sauté button to start heating the water. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons salt and 2 tablespoons vinegar onto the pork. Gently rub the solution onto the meat. Wash the pork well under cold running water. Pat dry with paper towels. Trim off any excess fat. Cut the pork sirloin into large chunks. Do the same for the pork belly. Cut it into large chunks. Back to the water. It should be boiling now. Transfer the pork into the boiling water. Cover with a glass lid and allow it to come to a boil again. Stir gently, rotating the pork pieces in the water. This step of parboiling is faster on the stovetop, but if your options are limited, it's very doable in the Instant Pot. Transfer the pork into a colander. Rinse the pork under cold running water, washing away any loose bits. Parboiling and rinsing the pork helps to keep the broth nice and clear. Drizzle fish sauce on the pork and allow to marinate while continuing with the next steps. Wash the inner pot with soap and hot water and then dry well. Press the sauté button to heat the inner pot. Sprinkle sugar into the inner pot, coating it evenly. While the sugar is caramelizing, smash the garlic cloves and cut the onion into large wedges. Cook the sugar until it's a honey color, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Add the pork and quickly combine together, coating it in the caramel sauce. Cancel the sauté mode. Add the eggs into the pot. Add 2.5 cups coconut water and 2 cups hot water. Rearrange everything, making sure the eggs are in the liquid. Add more hot water if needed. Add the onions, garlic, and black peppercorns. Add any remaining fish sauce from the marinade. Cover with a pressure cooker lid and set the valve to sealing. Use the manual button and set the cook time to 30 minutes on high pressure. After the cook time, allow for a natural pressure release of 15 minutes. Release any remaining pressure. All done, the broth is nice and clear and the color is beautiful. Serve this delicious caramelized pork and eggs while it's nice and hot. Enjoy the savory dish with pickled bean sprouts or mustard greens. The pork is flavorful and super tender. My favorite part of this entire dish are these deliciously marinated eggs. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.